Good evening, I am Garima. This is Jago Himachal 365 TV, डर के नहीं डट के, and you're watching Hilkus News channel. Let's start with the headlines. Himachal Pradesh Drug Hall DCA to review not to firms. 719 doctors died of COVID in second wave of pandemic. Congress leader Sachin Pilot in Delhi till weekend tight-lipped on political move. 4 children killed as massive landslide sweep away building in Mizoram as well. 1,750 cyber crime cases in Shimla till May end. 505 new COVID cases, 9 deaths in Himachal. Met predicts rain for 2 days in Himachal. Himachal cabinet gives nod to fill 2,322 posts to bolster water streams. Himachal CM failed to secure special package from Centre Dutt. Himachal Pradesh Drug Hall DCA to review not to firms. The Drug Control Administration DCA will review product permissions given to the all HP firms for certain drug formulations being misused as intoxicants. The move comes after 2 firms of Kalam and Paonta Sahib were booked for violation. A large amount of opioid drugs were diverted for use and intoxicants. In Punjab State Drug Controller Navneet Marwa said 9 manufacturers in Solan and 1 in Kalam are being inspected. Manufacturing has been stopped at 2 firms of Badi and show cause notices have been served on 6 others. For interstate sale of drug, manufacturers had been told to inform the local drug inspector and the SP, he said. 719 doctors died of COVID in second wave of pandemic. As many as 719 doctors have died during the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic, according to the latest report by the Indian Medical Association (IMA), with Bihar reporting the highest number of 101 doctors dying in the line of duty. The second wave of coronavirus pandemic across the country is not over yet. This is the reason doctors are losing their lives every day while saving the lives of COVID-infected patients. According to the IMA, a total of 1,467 doctors have died so far since the start of the coronavirus pandemic. As many as 748 doctors have lost their lives during the first wave of the pandemic. Delhi is the only state after Bihar where more deaths of doctors have been reported. According to official figures, 109 doctors have died in Delhi, 79 in Uttar Pradesh, 43 in Rajasthan, 39 in Jharkhand, 35 in Andhra Pradesh. However, there are some states where only a few doctors have lost their lives, such as 1 in Puducherry, 2 in Tripura, 2 in Uttarakhand, 2 in Goa, while 3 doctors in Haryana, Jammu Kashmir and Punjab have died due to infections during the second wave. Congress leader Sachin Pilot in Delhi till weekend tight-lipped on political move. Amid political slugfest, Congress leader Sachin Pilot reached here on Friday and plans to stay till Sunday. Sources said while there are no plans to meet Rahul Gandhi, a meeting is expected with Rajasthan in charge Ajay Maken and General Secretary Organization KC Venugopal. Pilot's Delhi tour come in backdrop of his loyalist MLAs making comment on the internal issue of the party, including an MLA standing his registration to the Assembly Speaker. 4 children killed as massive landslide sweeps away building in Mizoram as well. 4 children were killed and 2 others injured as a massive landslide after away a building at Aswal in Mizoram. Police said on Saturday that the incident happened around 9:30 p.m. on Friday at Thuampui neighborhood in the Babankuan police station area in the northeastern part of the city. They said an Assam-type building in which a 7-member family lived was swept away by the retaining wall that collapsed due to a landslide triggered by rain, police said. 1,750 cybercrime cases in Shimla till May end. The cybercrime branch of the state police has got 15 lakh refunded to victims for complaints of cyber fraud, while rupees 14 lakh is under process at the payments gateways, and the money will be refunded soon. With a phenomenal increase in the number of internet use, cybercrime cases have also increased manifolds. Cyber police station Shimla registered 1,750 cases till May and 750 of the total complaints pertain to financial fraud committed by offering SIM card validation, jobs easy loans, updating KYC, blackmailing through video calls, debit or credit card frauds, and Facebook frauds. There has been a spurt in cybercrime cases as people now really digital banking due to the pandemic, said Narveer Singh Thakur, additional SP Cybercrime. 505 new COVID cases, 9 deaths in Himachal. As many as 505 COVID cases were reported in the state today. Beside 9 persons died of the virus in the past 24 hours. 2 deaths each were reported in Kulu, Una and Kangra, and 1 each in Kinnaur, Chamba and Solan. The highest number of 128 cases were registered in Kangra, followed by 81 in Mandi, 56 in Sirmaur, 49 in Shimla, 44 in Chamba, 37 in Hamirpur, 28 each in Solan and Una, 17 in Bilaspur, 15 in Mandi, 12 in Kinnaur and 10 in Lahaul and Spiti. The total number of active cases declined to 5,879. Met predicts rain for 2 days in Himachal. Moderate to heavy rain lashed part of Himachal for the second consecutive day today. The local Met office has issued a yellow warning of thundershowers and lightning and an orange warning of heavy rainfall, thunderstorm and lightning at isolated places in low and middle hills in 10 districts, namely Una, Bilaspur, Hamirpur, Chamba, Kangra, Kulu, Mandi, Shimla, Solan and Sirmaur for next 2 days, and predicted wet spell in the region till 17. Gagal at 107 mm was the wettest in the state, followed by Dharamshala at 67 mm, 40 mm, Jogindernagar 31 mm, Sujanpur Tira 25 mm, Noorpur 21 mm, Palampur 16 mm, Dera Gopipur 15 mm, Pando and Sarkaghat at 14 mm each, Valdwada 12 mm, Brahmpur, Paonta Sahib and Bijahi at 10 mm each. Himachal CM failed to secure special package from Centre Dutt. AICC Secretary and co-in-charge for Himachal Sunil Dutt today said despite huge job loss and the tourism sector being hit miserably due to COVID, the BJP regime in Himachal had failed to seek a special financial package from the centre. Talking to media person here today, Dutt lamented that the BJP regime in Himachal had not come out with a bailout package for COVID-hit economies, especially for the tourism and transport sector. He said the Congress, like any other responsible political party, want to play the role of constructive opposition. We shouldn't politicize and disaster or a solution like COVID, but when we see people suffering, we are duty bound to raise issue of complete mismanagement in hospitals, as people died for want of oxygen and beds, he remarked. Himachal Cabinet give nod to fill 2,322 posts to bolster water schemes. The Cabinet today gave nod to the Jal Shakti Department to fill 2,322 posts of different categories under departmental para worker policy to effectively manage 486 drinking water and 31 irrigation schemes in the state. The Cabinet chaired by the Chief Minister Jairam Thakur here today also decided to create and fill 401 posts different categories in Trauma Territory Care Center in Indira Gandhi Medical College, IGM, and super speciality block Chamiana of IGMC Shimla, its smooth functioning and to provide specialized healthcare facility to the people of the state. Besides, 328 posts of different category on outsourced basis would also be filled. Thank you and stay connected with Hillquest.
हेलो हिमाचल 365 टीवी, सूचना, समाचार, मनोरंजन, एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है.
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquest News. I am Garima.
मेरा नाम है आशीष.
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलक्विस्ट टीवी न्यूज. हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताजा तरीन खबरों के साथ. हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ.
Hello everyone, I am Monica Rana. This is Jago Himachal 365 डर के नहीं डट के and you're watching Hillquest News Channel. Let's start with the headlines. Intrastate bus service to resume in Himachal Pradesh. RT-PCR report not mandatory. Cabinet gives nod to fill 2,322 posts to bolster water schemes. Cases dip. 4 dedicated COVID hospitals denotified. Vaddi Varsity fined 11 lakh for violating admission norms. With 84,332 new COVID cases, India sees the lowest daily rise in 70 days. Akali Dal Mayawati's party form alliance ahead of Punjab polls. Fuel prices at historic highs. Diesel crosses 100 litre in Rajasthan. Congress of First Love is Pakistan. BJP on Digvijay Singh clubhouse chat leak. Mughal son back in Trinamool. Terror attack on joint team of police CRPF in Jammu and Kashmir. Sopore, 2 civilians injured. Now news in detail. Intrastate bus service to resume in Himachal Pradesh. RT-PCR report not mandatory. The government extended the curfew after June 14 with several more relaxations such as interstate transport to resume, shops to open from 9 am to 5 pm and the RT-PCR test report no more mandatory for entering the state. Though Section 144 would be lifted, the curfew would continue from 5 pm to 5 am. The decisions were taken at a cabinet meeting. The government extended the time to open shops up to 5 pm from June 14. However, the shops would remain closed on Saturday and Sunday. The cabinet decided that offices with a staff strength of 75 and above would function with 50% employees. All medical, Ayurvedic and dental colleges would open from June 23, while pharmacy and nursing schools would open from June 28. Meanwhile, the interstate public transport would be allowed with 50% occupancy. Cabinet gives note to fill 2,322 posts to bolster water schemes. The Cabinet gave note to the Jal Shakti Department to fill 2,322 posts of different categories under Departmental Para-Workers Policy to effectively manage 486 drinking water and 31 irrigation schemes in the state. The Cabinet chair by Chief Minister Jairam Thakur also decided to create and fill 401 posts of different categories in Trauma and Tertiary Care Center in Indira Gandhi Medical College IGMC and Super Speciality Block. Chairman of IGMC Shimla for its smooth functioning and to provide specialized healthcare facilities to the people of the state. Besides, 328 posts of different categories on outsourced basis would also be filed. Keeping in view the COVID-19 pandemic situation in the state, the Cabinet decided to conduct examinations of graduate and Sastri final year during the month of July 2021 as per SOPs issued by the UGC. It also decided to hold the examinations of graduate first and second year after the final examinations are over. It also decided to start the academic session for the year 2021-22 for graduation classes from first week of August this year. Cases dip, 4 dedicated COVID hospitals denotified. 4 dedicated COVID health centers have been denotified in Solan and Sirmaur districts after decline in the number of hospitalized COVID patients from the past 1 week. The DCSC Baklag in Arki, a 35-bed hospital set up when the pandemic was its peak, was among 3 private hospitals that had been denotified in Solan districts by the Deputy Commissioner Solan. 3 private hospitals in Baddi, Barotiwala, Nalagarh, including the Akash Hospitals, the Gagan Hospitals and the Malhotra Super Speciality Hospitals, which had 160 beds, were notified on June 3. The hospitals have more than 170 oxygen cylinders with 61 beds for COVID patients. While there was no occupancy at the hospitals in Bakalag and the Akash hospitals, 4 ICU beds were occupied at the Gagan hospitals and 20 at the Malhotra Super Speciality Hospital till last week, said SDM Nalagarh, Mahindra Pal. In Sirmaur district, Shri Sai Hospitals in Nahan had been denotified on June 8. A 90-bed oxygen facility was created at the hospital for critical COVID patients. Barely 2 patients were admitted there, said Sirmaur DC RK Pruthi. Baddi University fined 11 lakh for violating admission norms. The Himachal Pradesh Private Educational Institutions Regulatory Commission imposed a penalty of ₹11 lakh on IEC University Baddi for the violation of admission norms. The university is running 30 external and self-paced learning courses that are not recognized by the Distance Education Mode of the University Grant Commission (UGC) and without the fee approval from the state government. The courses were started last year after getting prior approval of the HPPIERC, which allowed the course after conditional approval in principle, keeping in view the COVID-19 situation, the future learning technologies and methodologies with specific conditions to provide entire details with number of teaching hours and days. With 84,332 new COVID cases, India sees the lowest daily rise in 70 days. The daily COVID-19 count in India remained below the 1 lakh mark for the 5th consecutive day, with the country reporting 84,322 fresh cases, its lowest in 70 days according to the data updated by the Union Health Ministry on Saturday. With the fresh cases, the infection tally has climbed to 2,93,59,155. The COVID-19 death toll climbed to 3,67,081 with 4,002 daily deaths, the data updated at 8 am showed. The number of active cases further declined to 10,80,619, accounting for 3.68% of the total infections, while the national COVID-19 recovery rate has improved to 95.07%. India's active case load declined to less than 11 lakh after 63 days, while 84,322 new cases reported in 24 hours are the lowest in 70 days, the minister said. Akali Dal Mayawati's party form alliance ahead of Punjab polls. The Shiromani Akali Dal SAD has formed an alliance with the Bahujan Samaj Party BSP for the Punjab Assembly elections in 2022 after breaking ties with the BJP last year over the centre's contentious farm laws. With the new alliance, the Sukhbir Singh Badal-led party aims to fill the gap in several seats after it split with the BJP in September last year, sources say. The BSP will contest the seats earlier assigned to the BJP. Akali Dal Mayawati's party form alliance ahead of Punjab polls. The Shiromani Akali Dal SAD has formed an alliance with the Bahujan Samaj Party BSP for the Punjab Assembly elections in 2022 after breaking ties with the BJP last year over the centre's contentious farm laws. With the new alliance, the Sukhbir Singh Badal-led party aims to fill the gap in several seats after a split with the BJP in September last year, sources say. The BSP will contest the seats earlier assigned to the BJP. The state assembly has a total of 117 seats. While 20 seats have been allocated to the BSP, Akali Dal will contest 97 seats. The Shiromani Akali Dal and the Bahujan Samaj Party will fight the 2022 Punjab state polls and future elections together, Sukhbinder Singh Badal said at a press conference. The Akali Dal and BSP are joining hands 27 years after the 1996 Lok Sabha elections, when their alliance had bagged 11 out of 13 seats in Punjab. The Mayawati-led BSP had then won all 3 seats it had contested, while the Akali Dal won 8 out of 10 seats. Fuel prices at historic highs. The diesel crosses 100 a litre in Rajasthan. Diesel price today breached the 100 per litre mark in Rajasthan after yet another increase in fuel rates, which also led to Karnataka becoming the 7th state to record 100 a litre petrol. Petrol price was hiked by 27 paise per litre and diesel by 23 paise, according to a price notification of state-owned fuel retailers. The hike, the 23rd one since May 4, pushed fuel prices across the country to new historic highs. In Delhi, petrol hit an all-time high of 96.12 a litre, while diesel is now priced at 86.98 per litre. Fuel prices differ from state to state depending on the incidence of local taxes such as VAT and freight charges. And because of this, petrol retails at over 100 per litre mark in 6 states and union territories: Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Ladakh. Karnataka got added to that list. Congress first love is Pakistan. BJP on Digvijay Singh's clubhouse chat leak. Pointing to alleged leaked clubhouse chat of former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Digvijay Singh, the BJP on Saturday said that Congress first love is Pakistan. In leaked clubhouse chat, Singh was found telling a Pakistani journalist that Congress would reconsider decision of revoking Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir once they were in power. Union Minister Giriraj Singh said that Pakistan is the first love of Congress. In a tweet, Singh said, "Congress first love is Pakistan." Digvijay Singh conveyed Rahul Gandhi's message to Pakistan. Congress will help Pakistan in grabbing Kashmir. BJP national spokesperson Dr. Sambit Patra tweeted Digvijay Singh on being questioned by a Pak journalist on getting rid of Modi and on Kashmir policies, says that if Congress comes back to power, they would have a rethink on Article 370 and may restore it. He also talks about Hindu fundamentalists. The Congress is a clubhouse of anti-nationals. Mukul Sunwak and Trinamool. In a setback to the BJP, Mukul Roy, the first Trinamool Congress TMC leader to have switched to the Saffron Party, on Friday returned to the TMC, triggering off speculation about more such turncoats thrown back to TMC. Roy, national president of the BJP and party MLA from Krishnanagar Uttar constituency, turned up at the TMC office in Kolkata this afternoon with his former MLA son Shubhranshu Roy, 38. They were welcomed back into the TMC by party's National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee in the presence of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Roy was contemplating returning to the TMC as far back as March this year when the assembly elections were underway in the state. Banerjee said Roy did not utter a single word against the TMC during the assembly elections. She said those turncoats who had attacked the TMC at the time of elections and betrayed the party would not be taken back to the party. Terror attack on joint team of police CRPF in Jammu and Kashmir's Sopore, 2 civilians injured. 2 civilians were injured when militants opened fire targeting security forces in Sopore town of Baramulla district in Jammu and Kashmir on Saturday, official said. Militants fired upon a joint team of the Central Reserve Police Force CRPF and police near the Sopore main chowk in the North Kashmir district around noon, the official said. They said 2 civilians were injured in the firing. Security forces have cordoned off the area. Further details are awaited, they said. So this is all for this time. Stay connected and keep watching Hillquest News channel. Thank you.
हेलो हिमाचल, हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना समाचार मनोरंजन एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है।
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquest News. I am Garima.
मेरा नाम है आशीष।
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलक्विस्ट टीवी न्यूज। हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताज़ा तरीन खबरों के साथ। हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ।